Let me tell you something, when people start talking about investing, they throw around a lot of crazy acronyms. It can be overwhelming. But there's one you absolutely need to know, SPY. This is the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust. Think of it as the original, the trailblazer from 1993. It was the very first ETF in the United States. Its mission was simple but revolutionary. Give everyday investors a way to buy a piece of the entire S&P 500 index, with a single transaction. No more picking individual stocks, no more sleepless nights. One buy, and you own a slice of America's 500 largest companies. When you buy one share of SPY, you're not just betting on one horse, you're betting on the whole stable of American companies. It democratized investing for millions. SPY's purpose is simple: mirror the performance of the S&P 500. It gives you the index returns, minus a very small fee. This is passive investing. You're trying to be the market, not beat it. For most people, that is a winning strategy. Sometimes the simplest answer is the best one. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Talk is cheap, numbers make you money. First, let's look at dividends. The companies in the S&P 500 are mature, profitable businesses. Many share profits with shareholders through dividends. When you own SPY, you get your cut. As of our latest data, SPY offers a dividend yield of around 1.35%. This won't make you rich overnight, but it's a steady stream of cash. You typically receive those deposits quarterly. Usually in March, June, September, and December you typically see a deposit. You can reinvest dividends to buy more SPY, compounding at work. Over decades, that snowball effect can dramatically boost returns. Each new share earns its own dividends. Now performance, the main event. In 2023, SPY delivered over 26% total return. A monster year. Even after 2024's swings, year-to-date SPY was up about 15% as of late August 2025. Over the last 10 years, SPY's average annual return is roughly 12.5%. Its expense ratio is a tiny 0.0945%, under $10 a year on $10,000 invested. That's a bargain. So what does it mean when we say SPY tracks the S&P 500? It's simple. The S&P 500 is an index, just a list, a benchmark representing the health of large-cap US stocks. SPY's managers match the ETF to the index by holding the 500 stocks in the same proportions. If Apple is 7% of the S&P, it's roughly 7% of SPY. It's a mirror image, passive and disciplined. The index is maintained by a committee that reviews constituents. If a company falters and no longer meets criteria, it gets kicked out. A rising star takes its place. So SPY always represents the current champions of American industry. You're systematically selling losers and buying winners without deciding a thing. It's discipline built into the product. Tracking the S&P gives you exposure across sectors: tech, healthcare, consumer goods, financials, energy, industrials, and more. Not just tech, healthcare, consumer goods, energy, industrials. This sector diversification smooths returns. When one lags, another often leads, giving you resilience across the cycle. The long-term growth of SPY isn't magic. It's fueled by a very real engine: corporate earnings. A company's stock value reflects its ability to generate profits. When the 500 companies grow earnings, their stock prices typically follow. We've seen strong earnings through 2024 into 2025. After adjusting to higher rates, many companies streamlined operations and widened profit margins. For 2024, S&P 500 earnings growth was about 11%, a healthy backdrop for the market. Consensus forecasts for 2025 suggest continued growth, roughly 9 to 10%. That trajectory is a fundamental tailwind for SPY. Historically, this earnings-driven growth repeats over decades. $10,000 invested in SPY at inception in 1993 would be worth well over $200,000 today, assuming dividends were reinvested. That's long-term compounding powered by corporate America. S&P 500 companies are large, established, and generally have higher earnings quality than speculative startups. These blue-chip firms have global reach, strong balance sheets, and predictable revenue. That's why institutions use the S&P 500 as a core holding. This isn't about one hot stock, it's about 500 well-run companies growing profits. That historical track record supports SPY as a long-term wealth-building tool. The case for simplicity and strength. In a world selling complicated products, SPY is beautifully simple. For a beginner, it's an easy one-decision play: buy SPY. You don't need to read hundreds of annual reports or follow 500 companies. Just buy shares and let the market do the heavy lifting over time. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy. SPY has been around over 3 decades. It weathered the dot-com bust, the 2008 crisis, and the COVID-19 shock. Through it all, it recovered and made new highs. SPY is one of the largest and most heavily traded ETFs. There are always buyers and sellers. You can get in or out instantly at a fair price. The bid-ask spread is typically just a penny. Maximum efficiency, low cost, instant diversification, and daily liquidity, all for less than a few cups of coffee. Diversification is the only free lunch on Wall Street. By owning SPY, you guarantee you'll own the next big winners as they grow, with protection from individual company flameouts. Predicting the future is tough, but we can make an educated forecast. As of August 2025, the market has largely digested recent rate hikes. The Fed is signaling a more stable policy, generally positive for stocks. Stable borrowing costs let companies plan, invest, and expand. That encourages capex and hiring, good for earnings. A steady earnings path is the primary driver of SPY. Major trends, AI, biotech, clean energy, automation, are reshaping industries. You don't need to pick winners in AI. The index captures them as they scale. Companies like Nvidia and Microsoft are already top holdings and drive returns. There are risks. Geopolitical tensions, inflation spikes, or a sudden slowdown can cause volatility. Market corrections happen, the index won't go straight up. But diversification across 500 companies and 11 sectors provides resilience. Long-term, the S&P 500 and SPY trend upward thanks to innovation and corporate resilience. Build wealth over 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. SPY is a core tool. It remains one of the smartest, most reliable tools available. It's a bet on American ingenuity and perseverance. That has historically been a winning bet. Make it part of a thoughtful, long-term plan.